Hello, welcome back to class. I am still your favorite tutor, Akitinwe Yewande. So today we are going to be looking at how to generate our themes using ChatGPT. The method and strategy I used. In qualitative analysis, AI can assist you. But in the case of creating your theme, you are to do or generate your theme by yourself. So I tried using ChatGPT and the outcome is what I am here to share with you. Hold your pen if it's something you feel that you would like to use or try. Just watch this video. Don't forget to like it, share with others as we watch. All right.
Alright, so now I uploaded three transcripts. Am I making sense? Then I gave it a prompt that it should view it and create 5 well-constructed broad themes that are in line with the research topic objective. Then I now copy the topic, the objective, and the question. Now, what are these? He said after reviewing it, start with cultural preference and consumer expectation if you buy it. It's not even related at all. When I saw it, I was like, this is not a good thing. This thing is not possible. But the fact that it's combining two things together is not allowed in your team. If your team is pointing at one thing, let it be one thing. Am I making sense? Let it be one thing. Don't combine in a particular thing. It will make you get confused. He said, market entry challenges and competitive landscape is not well constructed. He said, marketing, branding, and distribution strategy is not well constructed. He combined marketing, combined branding, combined distribution strategy. It's confusing. Now, if I say I should just take this one and add it and put it on my analysis, a layman cannot understand what thing is done about. And that's your goal. Your team must be simple, must be well defined. The role of influencer and social proof in customer decision making. So influencer is still under marketing. Why is it coming as a separate team again? Do you get my point? So now, innovation 1, differentiation 2, and sustainability as a key success driver. So the team that ChatGPT gave to me, everything is error. Despite I still provide transcript, I still provide my topic, I still provide my objective, I still provide my question. This is strategic experiences of salesperson in perfume company in Dubai. How did you see this thing? Then I'm not the one telling you my own thing. Just for you to help me rewrite it. Maybe there is a grammatical error, or do you understand? Or maybe it can help me structure it very well. Then I said, this is an experience of salesperson in perfume company in Dubai can be seen as a sub team or a stand-alone team. Then it now helped me to rewrite it more. Then it now points out where this team has a role to play in my research. Meaning and relevance. That is, it's telling me how the staff, they were explaining the numbers of years they spent. Do you understand? Everything they were saying about themselves. This particular thing, long with objective 1, objective 2, objective 3, 4, and 5. You now said if I want to now create a something based on that, it now gave me ideas of something that I can use, which I don't need. Do you understand? Then, well, after that one, I've carried my first team abi. And I said, okay, yes, in the beginning of all the interviews, so I was not trying to buttress what he has given to me. And I said, in the beginning of all the interviews, each salesperson share their experiences and perception, talking about the numbers of years they have spent. So you now acknowledge that it is very true what I'm trying to say. This is the area where ChatGPT, but you are going to do the job. So that was team one. So when I'm done with all the story he has written, then and I said, okay, another team. And I said, how about this team? Make it look well constructed. Attributes of perfume company in Dubai as a fast growing product. Me, I use product. They are now able to change it to industry. Am I making sense now? Then he now discuss about the team, how it's relevant to the research and all that. He now gave me ideas of something if peradventure I needed a sub team. So he now said this team ties directly to the research objective 1, 2, 3, and 4 and answer the research question on consumer preferences, cultural factor and market entry strategy. So now looking at it now critically, the way they used to teach, if you go online, they will tell you that your team should answer your research question, right? They will not say, okay, this team is answering research question 1, this team is answering research question 2. So it now makes the whole thing to be complex, and that is why majority of researchers are confused, don't know how to create a book. But following the method I just trained down, it is very easy for you to create your team, and at the same time to still answer your research question. Now, according to this now, we have been able to see something that answers research question. Let's go further. And I'll give you another thing again. I want to make this a new thing. Perception of cultural and heritage foundation of the perfume industry in Dubai. You can see that I'm the one still giving ChatGPT what I want. Because based on what ChatGPT was able to read from those data sets, it could not give me a meaningful thing. And you as a beginner, if you go and copy those things, that is error. Then your supervisor will now say, this one, I will finish you. Before you know, you will be thinking it's village. If it's not village, it's because you are going through the wrong route. After giving him he said, excellent choice. This is a strong academically relevant thing because culture and heritage are backbone of the right perfume industry. So now, I'm able to do this because I know how to curate teams myself. So he said, well refined and constructed team. So he now helped me to, he did not even do anything. Perception of culture and heritage foundation of the perfume industry. And these teams, I was able to deduce it from their discussion. Do you understand that? So he now said, this team, it answer research question 1. Can you see now? Another team here again. This one, I did not even know. Create a team based on what customer want or choose in respect of the perfume they buy for both men and women. They are now able to construct it. So that was how I was able to get all my teams. This one is another thing again. And he acknowledged it and he gave me insight. So that was how I was able to use ChatGPT. Now this takes place. I know that this person is talking about something, so I could not get out my team directly. So I now said, okay, can you convert this statement to a thing? Just like the way I was trying to tell that statement to convert it to a. Do you understand now? You're able to come out with. So that is where the influencer, the marketing, online marketing, the strategy, everything they talk about marketing, customer targeting, everything, it falls under this category.